Ever wondered how to make soft bakery-style bread at home?
You only need flour, yeast, sugar, salt, butter, and warm water. That's all.
To make this delicious homemade bread, you'll need simple ingredients: flour, yeast, sugar, salt, butter, and warm water. First, pour 1 cup of warm water into a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Pour yeast mix into flour, drop butter in, quick stir. Now combine wet and dry. Stir till sticky dough forms.
And now we're just going to mix this all together. And once it's all combined, we're going to knead the dough.
For 1 hour, let it grow.
Step 6, shape your loaf. Punch air out, shape it smooth. Punch, roll, ready.
Proof for 30 minutes. Almost done. Bake 25 to 30 minutes till golden.
Let it cool a bit before slicing.
Soft and fluffy every single time.
Butter it up, enjoy that flavor.
Perfect for breakfast or family time.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.